Let's talk about earwax. It builds up in the outer part of your ear, and it's basically a mix of natural oils, sweat, dead skin cells, and fatty acids like cholesterol. It sounds a little gross, but it actually has a massive job. Earwax is your body's built-in shield. It traps dirt, bugs, bacteria, and viruses before they can get deep inside your ear. This is super important because your inner ear sits right next to your brain. An infection deep in there is serious business, so we actually need earwax to keep us safe. But here's the catch. Sometimes our bodies just go overboard. You might produce too much wax, or it gets dry and hard, turning into a thick plug that completely blocks the canal. That's when you start getting earaches, and that's when you actually need to clean it out. The absolute easiest way to handle this is during your shower. Just let a little lukewarm water wash around the outer part of your ear. When you get out, take a soft towel or a tissue and gently wipe away whatever wax made its way to the outside. Simple. If the wax is really stubborn, you need to soften it up first. You can pick up some super cheap drops at the pharmacy, like soda glycerin, which work great. You can also use a drop or two of regular olive oil. But please listen to me on this. Do not heat the oil. I know it's an old myth that warm oil goes in the ear, but it is incredibly dangerous. You can literally burn the delicate skin inside your ear and permanently damage your eardrum. Keep it room temperature. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, cotton buds. Step away from the Q-tips, the pencils, the bobby pins, whatever you're sticking in there. I know it's a common habit, and people even do it to their kids, but you have to stop. First off, those things aren't completely sterile, so you're just shoving new germs into your ear. Secondly, you're working blind. You have no idea how close you are to your eardrum. When you use a cotton bud, you aren't pulling the wax out, you're acting like a plunger, packing that wax tighter and deeper into the canal. Do that enough, and you could actually puncture your eardrum, which leads to chronic infections and hearing loss. So, don't experiment. If the shower trick or the over-the-counter drops aren't doing the job, go see a doctor. Usually, they'll have you use drops for a few days to soften the plug, and then they'll safely flush it out with water using a special syringe. Bottom line, your hearing is too important to risk. If you feel totally blocked up and basic home care isn't cutting it, book an appointment with an ENT. Honestly, it might not even be wax, it could be a totally different issue altogether. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and please share it with that one friend who refuses to throw away their cotton swabs.